Okay, can see your own graph, Vanessa? Or any of you can see the graph?
Yes, can see.
Yeah. Okay, this is a summative exercise, question 1. These questions. Turn to textbook. Okay, these questions. Okay, for those that didn't do yet, maybe you go through the questions. Okay, first of all, this one. Okay, the raw material. Okay, so it kept at a 60. At least, sekurang-kurangnya, at least. Okay, this is a minimum. Okay, so it can more than that. Yeah, so 3 kg and the 5 kg, so it's 3x and the 5y. Okay, let the small one be x, okay, the big one be y. Okay, at least, so minimum, okay, 60. Okay, this is first inequality. Second inequality, 60 worker. Okay, so the small one is a 2 worker, so 2x. And then 3 worker for a big one, so 3y. Okay, 60 worker is the maximum, so 60 smaller and big. Okay. Okay, so this is the 3x plus, cannot see, 2x plus 3y, okay, equals 60. And this is the 3x plus 5y equals 60. If I write again. Okay, this is the 3x 5y. Then this is the 2x 3y. Okay. Okay, we come back to questions again. Okay, if x number of a small and y number of big, okay, produced in big, right? Four linear inequality. Why got 4? Why got 4? Here got 2.
In a week.
In a week.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is what? In a day. A week, huh?
No, they didn't say.
60 worker. In a week. Anyone can help? From where you get the 4 linear inequality? I can see Vanessa one is she have 2 more, which is x is bigger than 5 and equal. Y is also, but why? Did they
Because
mention?
in a week, they work 5 days in a week, right? So I put that, then they would work more than 5 days also. So x over 5, no.
But didn't mention in the questions. How do you know they work 5 days in a week? They can work 6 days in a week. They can work only 2 days in a week. Correct or not?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so if you want to follow the answer at the back, this one you got to write something for it lah. I mean in the sentence here. Okay, if not, this one is 0 and this one is 0. Because not necessarily every day you have to produce one small or one big the chair. You see, it can be, you know, in a day or in a week, you only produce the big chair. You don't produce the small one. It can be also. So this one actually should be 0. Okay. Come, anyone not agree with me? Agree with me? You got to decide now. Okay, I didn't go and see the full solutions. Sometimes the full solution they will tell you lah. Okay, then I will know where is the mistake. Okay. And then y'all, I don't know whether y'all got do or y'all don't do one. Sometimes y'all didn't tell me that it's a mistake in the textbook. And then but when I go and see the full solution, the full solution is correct. Why I realize this is because when my daughter tell me, well, my daughter also from 5. When she do, then she come and check my textbook, the answer. She say, hey, why mommy you didn't change the answer? Then so I suspect, I don't know, you didn't do, or you didn't check the answer, or you do already, you check the full solution answer. I don't know which one. Okay, if you want, I don't know whether I have this full solutions or not. This one is chapter 7. I didn't download. Okay, anyone have checked the answer? Already do and have checked the answer? You're quiet lah. Su Ping got do or?
Yeah, I saw
yet.
the.
Su Ping say first.
Not yet, because my tuition teacher didn't teach, so I wait for a while.
You wait for a while. Okay, you want to wait for your tuition teacher. Vanessa? Yeah, you say?
I saw the solutions. They do like that. Then I saw the x bigger than or equal to 5. Then I thought the week they work for 5 days. So I understand that, but then wrong already.
But they do mention or not why?
No, they didn't mention.
Sarah do or not? No yo. Then how? How to discuss? Sirania, you do or not? No also Teo Nobody do Only Vanessa you do Oh, okay. So how? What do you think? Lingzi, you can on the mic or not?
Yes, teacher.
You use the x and y greater than 5 or not? Or you use x and y greater than 0 only?
I actually don't know why is x greater than 5, and
But
I just follow
how
the
to say?
answer only.
Oh, okay. So you just refer the answer. Next time, y'all don't just refer to the answer. Any doubt that y'all see from the questions that you got doubt, you are not sure, then you should ask. Because somehow you are the first batch using this book. A lot of mistake actually in the book. Okay, we don't say the textbook like actually any books okay, they will have a mistake. Then we can bring to discuss here. Okay. So these questions I not really agree with the x and the y greater than 5. After I will go and see and think about what Vanessa say about the week one. Because they say the supply for the rental is 60 kg a week. I don't think so. That one also will make difference. In a week, require 3 kg of rental. What's the meaning? I don't think so lah. I don't think so. That one will bring you the 5 and the 5. Because this kind of question, it can be 0. Okay. So we come back to the graph. Okay, so Vanessa, you change this. Use another color. You change this. You don't want. You erase this one. Cannot see. Okay, you erase this one and erase this one. So your graph will extended. Okay, will be extended until it touch the axis. This side also the same thing. Okay, the rest you didn't do yet, right? Okay, you just put on notes. Okay, write in your textbook or whatever. Okay, or change the change the answer in your book. Okay, so this is part B. Part B done already. Okay, label the region R. Okay, now we go to part C. Okay, the price for the small rental chair is RM40. Okay, the big one is 80 ringgit. Okay, from the graph of them, find the value of the X and Y that will provide the family with a maximum income. Okay, they want the maximum income or the maximum profit. This is income. Okay. So Vanessa, can you please tell me why you cannot do part C? Is it part C1 or you want a part C2? Why? With maximum income and maximum income? Oh, okay. For part 1, they want the value of X and Y. For the part 2, they want the maximum income. Is it you don't understand the questions or what? Or you don't know how to do?
Understand. Actually, I got problem with the X, the bigger than the blah blah all. And then like I thought maybe it's correct. So like after that I cannot like understand why like I don't know how to explain.
Okay, can you form the objective function? Lisa, are you able to form the objective functions?
No.
No. Okay, now we start. Okay, you see. This is income. Okay, you can label as I lah. Okay, this one we call it objective functions. Okay, so what is the income will be? Okay, for the small one, the number of a small rental chair is X One chair is 40 ringgit Okay, so it's 40 times X Okay, and then plus for the big chair is 80 Okay, and then for the big chair, the number of big chair is Y, so 80 times Y. Is that okay? Can I pause it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So this one, you have to draw a dotted line inside the graph here. Okay, how to draw the dotted line? You got to set a value for the I. Okay, so you let. Normally, we take this 40, the coefficients and multiply it.
Times APU. Okay. Yeah, I remember.
But not necessary. Okay, it still depends on the scale. Okay, now we try. Okay, if you are drawing this, okay, before you start to draw, you can simplify first. Okay, some more divide by 4. Okay, 8 divided by 4 is 2y. 320 divided by 4, 80. Okay, now you start. Okay, let's say when x is 0. Okay, so 2y is 80. Therefore, y is 40. Okay, y is 40. So, up here, I think your scale can get 40. You don't have 40. So you got to lower down the number a little bit. Okay, I come back here. If you got no 40, you have to lower down this number a little bit. How you lower down this number a little bit? You can just straight away cut one more zero. Don't want the zero here. Okay, so this holding the one. Okay, so we start over again. Okay, now it becomes 40x 80y equals 320 only. Okay, don't want the 3,200. Okay, now do again. Okay, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay, now when x is 0, okay, y is 4. Okay, y is 4. Y is 4 is somewhere here. Okay, 1 point. Okay, when y is 0, okay, x is 8. Okay, 8 is here. Okay, so use ruler. Okay, join. Okay, and then you use the, how to say, ruler. Okay, parallel with this dotted line, and then push. Okay, so this question is very clear cut. Okay, for this region, you have 1 point. The vertices are 2 point, 3 point, and 1 more point is up there. Okay, okay, so you just imagine when you push this dotted line, use a ruler parallel, and then go up. Okay, when you enter the regions, okay, you pass to these 2 points. Okay, and then when you leave the region, okay, I think will be at this point. Okay, let's say this point will be the last. Okay, so you just test this point and this point. Okay, the point at the y-axis. Okay, so I think all wrong already, the answer in the textbook all wrong already. Okay, because they kept at the x equal to 5 and y equal to 5. Okay, any of you can help me to ask your tuition teacher also. Okay, we help each other. Okay, sometimes I know you also bring your tuitions what to say, the homework, and ask me. So now you also help me. Okay, ask these questions. See what is your tuition teacher opinion. Okay, so I come back here. Okay, just now that graph are not enough, so I take this part. Okay, this maybe I capture one more time. Okay, green screen. Okay, now I want to test on that 2 point only. Okay, using my function just now. Okay, what is my function? The objective functions. I equals to come back here. Okay, 40x and 80y. I refer back to this original. 40x and 80y. Okay, 40x and 80y. Okay, you just test this point and this point. Okay, see which one will give you the maximum. That one will be the answer. Okay, so for this point, the y is 20. Okay, x is 0, y is 20. Okay, so you substitute here. Okay, this is 0, so 80 and 20, 1600. Okay, then for the other point, okay, this point. Okay, wait for a while. 弟，那个包在桌上，你自己放弃一个咯。等下你9点有 cookie 嘞。Okay, we continue here. Sorry. Okay, here this point, for this point, x is 30. Okay, and then y is 0. Okay, so you find the I. Okay, same thing. Okay, substitute inside this objective function. So 40 times 30 is the x, and then y is 0. Okay, so it's 1200. Okay, so which one is more? That one will be the maximum. Okay, so this one don't write. This one you can padam. Okay, you can erase it. Okay, so just show this answer. Okay, so now answer the part C, first one. Okay, the value of X and Y that will provide the family with a maximum income. Means they're asking X and they're asking Y. Okay, so 0 and 20. Okay, this means what? They don't produce the small Renton chair lah. They just make the big Renton chair lah. Because big Renton chair will give them more income. Then this is the meaning. Okay, and then part 2. Okay, find the maximum income. Okay, if X is 0 and the Y is 20, what is that maximum income? They want that income. So 1600 is answer. Okay, I also will wait for my daughter's school, the teacher when teach these chapters. Okay, maybe they will give a different answer, different opinion. If the teachers have same opinion, same answer like mine, so I will not tell you again. Okay, if they suddenly come up with a new idea why we have the X and the Y must be bigger than 5, then I will let you know. Okay, why? Yeah. Okay, but so far, okay, we fix this our answer. Okay. Okay, Vanessa, okay or not? Can understand the objective functions?
Can understand.
Then if you cannot do question 1 for the objective function, how about question 2 and the 3 leh?
I don't yet try.
You didn't do yet or what?
I didn't do yet.
Or you didn't do yet. Then how about that day, the formative exercise 7.2? The objective functions, how?
Oh, sorry, I was talking with the mic. Yeah, I did.
That one you can. You can get the objective function. And Vanessa, you don't mute. You don't mute your mic lah. You want to talk to me, right? Come on.
Yeah, I tried. I get.
You get. So why this question you cannot get? This is what I don't understand. It's because of the I value just now, is it? You cannot get the 3,200 or the 300, 2,000, is it?
The C part I confused. So I go see the solution. Then the solution got 17, then 5, then I searched like I got like why 17, 5, then I didn't do
the answer is 5 and 17. But if you follow and then it will fall here. Can see? If you follow this X and Y greater than 5, the line when you push, it will fall here. This is Y, X is 5 and then Y is 17. But I'm not sure whether this Y is 17 or not. 15, 16, 17 is here. I think this one they don't exactly though. Okay, again, what is this? 2x. Can you read for me? Is it 3y equals to 60? Check and see.
Yeah. 2x plus 3y.
Okay, let's say this is x equals to 5 here. Okay, we will see what is the y value. Okay, you substitute inside here, the x is 5. Okay, so this is 10, 3y is 60. Okay, so 3y, 60 minus 10 is 50. So y is 50 over 3 is not a whole number. This is why. This question is like the one that day you remember there is one example, very complicated one. When you have the maximum point is not the whole number. Okay, so here is actually 4 as 16.67. Okay, so if this is 5 and 17, I think it's out of range. The book answer definitely is wrong. I can tell. Okay, if they still follow the x greater than 5, y greater than 5, your maximum point that given in the question textbook answer is 5 and 17, this one definitely is wrong because this one will be out of the range, not inside the region. Okay, not inside this region R. Okay, because here is only 16 point something, 17 is up a little bit. Okay, definitely is out in the region already, out of the region already. Okay, so that's all. Any more questions? Don't worry, okay, anytime you want to do, then you do already, you still have any question want to ask, can ask. Yesterday there's one girl, I think is who Siti Farah girl. She asked me, you know, how to get the point and then draw that the inequality line. Okay, means she's doing, means I know you are doing. If you just keep quiet, you don't move, you know, I give that this type of allowance to you, you know, I allow you. When you are ready, only you do, then I don't know when you will do lah. Okay. So Vanessa, you still have any more questions to ask?
No, teacher. I said
Okay, so how about Teo, Zingzi? Because you have tried, do you have any question to ask? No, okay, so if no question, then now I want to discuss with you one of the PPT. Okay, let me think. This is there's one PPT, many of you get very low mark. Okay. Okay, this is on the chapter 4. Yes, you remember we have a PL4, PL5 questions, quite challenging questions. Actually, that type of questions will come out in your exam. Okay, wait, let me see. This is what. This one. Surprisingly, okay, there's one girl only achieved PL4 for chapter 4. Okay. Guess who is that girl?
Suping.
Sorry, not Suping. Surprisingly, I say surprisingly already.
Shahira.
Shahira. No. Okay, you see, these questions is on PL4 and PL5. Okay, all together is 13 marks. Okay, I give. Okay, if you can score 11 marks over 13, this one is very tight. Okay, then you can achieve a PL5. So means you are allowed to lose 2 marks only. Okay, if you can achieve 7 marks over 13 and above, okay, but below 11, okay, then you can get PL4. Okay, that girl get PL4 is Siti Farah. Okay, Siti Farah get 10 marks in this assessment. How she can get the 10 marks, I don't know. You all can answer. Okay, and then there are 2 girls getting 5 marks. Teo Xingzi and then Johannes. Okay, then the rest is less than 5 marks, which is very poor. Okay? Maybe you will say to me the same thing. You didn't go for tuition yet, okay, for these chapters. I'm not sure because yesterday some of you already told me your teachers in chapter 5. So I think you have over this chapter. You should be able to do it now. Okay. So now today's lesson, I continue with this assessment. We do it together. Okay. Since your mark is so poor. Okay. You can find out where you write the answer if you can. Okay. Let me find out where I keep my this one. The date is on the 24th of June. Okay, you can take out your exercise book and copy. Okay, any exercise book that you are using currently. Okay, so here got 3 questions. Okay, here got another 3 questions. When I paste here, it's not sharp. How about I use words? Okay, I think okay. Okay, you can copy the questions. Or afterward I send or how? You have to let me know. Which way is comfortable? You will feel. You want me to wait for you to copy questions? Or while I starting explaining, you can copy question plus the answer?
No, my teacher, you start first. You
Okay.
later send the question, we copy.
Okay. So you can watch the video and copy, or you want me to send the file, you have to let me know. Okay, actually,
Okay.
when I write here, this is a Word document. If you want, I write here already, then I will save and then I send this file. Also can.
Yes, yes, better can.
If you don't want to copy, also can actually. You just print out and then stick. Okay,
Okay.
to copy, then your handwriting is nicer than me lah, because this one I use the digital pen to write. Okay, so I start now. Okay, you look at the example first. Anything don't understand, please ask. Don't just keep quiet. Okay, go to the example first. Okay, we start with this 4 digits number. Okay, and then part A. Okay, odd number. Okay, so 4 digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what always I would do. Okay, if you cannot analyze in this way, like the answer here. Okay, you can use other ways. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so if odd number is determined by the last digits. Okay, if last digit is odd, then the whole thing will be odd number. Okay, so now you have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, which one is odd number? So I have a 3, I have 5, and I have 7. Okay, so means I have 3 choices here. Okay, 3 ways. Okay, after I put in one of the number already. Actually here they didn't say you can repeat the number or cannot repeat the number. Okay, we assume that you cannot repeat the number. Okay, this one we assume cannot repeat the number. Okay, so once you put in 1 digits already, altogether got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here is 7 digits. Okay, after you put in 1 already, so you still got balance of 6 digits to fill out this, and this. Okay, so you will continue with the 6, 5, and the 4. Okay, this one I hope you still remember why 6, 5, and 4. Because after you put in 1 digit here already, then you still left 5 choices. Then after you put in 1 digit here already, then you still left 4 choices. This is why you have a 6, 5, 4. Okay. Okay, just times up. Okay, this is multiplications methods. This is 30 and then 12. Okay, so you get 360. Okay, so this is for part A. Okay, so if I would like to explain this 3p2 and the 6p3. Okay, 3p2 means here, out of 3, 3p1, not 3p2, 3p1. Okay, this one means out of these 3, 1, 2, 3, you choose 1. Okay, then here, out of after you choose 1 already, the balance is 6 digits. Okay, the 6 digits you choose 3, therefore it's 6p3. This is how they get 3p1 times 6p3. But if you cannot do this, then you can do this way. Okay, now we go to B. Okay, they want the number greater than 4,500. 4,500. Okay, so same thing. You draw out 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for first digit, what you have to put? If you want the number bigger than 4,500, okay, you cannot put 2. You cannot put 3. Okay, you can put 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, but if you put 4 here, then if this one is 2 or the 3, then this one is still smaller than. So you have a two different type of conditions here. Okay, let's say this one you put 4. Okay, this one I bring to another type of conditions. Okay, I draw it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now this one I can choose from 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, this one I only choose from 4. Okay, so now you see at first is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I cut into 2. Okay, 2 different way. Okay, for this I only choose 4. Okay, so it's only 1 way. Okay, after you put in 4 already, for this second digits, you want it to be greater than 4,500. So you cannot choose 2 and the 3. You have to choose 5, 6, 7, and 8 for the second digits. Okay. If you choose 5 at the second digits, third digits no matter it's 2 or the 3 it will still bigger than 4,580. Okay. So here got how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ways to choose. Okay. After that, These last two number got no constraint already. Okay, out of 7 digits, 2 already filled out. Okay, so left 5 more digits. So here is 5, and then lastly is 4. Okay, this is how you fill out for this. For the first digit is 4. Okay, the other methods, for the first digit is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methods. Okay, if the first digit is either 5, 6, 7, 8, then the second digits we don't care already. Definitely it will bigger than 4,500. Okay, so second digits bebas. Okay, no constraint. Okay, after you fill out 1 digit, okay, so 7 digits, you left 6 digits. So 6, 5, 4. Okay. Then after that, this one you times, this one you times. At the end, these two add up. Okay, so this one you get what? 20 times 4. This is 80. This one, 24 times 20. This one you get 480. Okay, so just add these two up. Okay, so you get 560. Okay, 560. Okay, not so far? Any question to ask me? If you no question to ask me, the next question I will ask you all. Okay, now we do first questions. Okay, the diagram shows 6 number cards. Quite similar to the example. Okay, just now you have 7 digits. You want to form a 4 digits number. Now this one you have 6 digits. You want to form 5 cards are chosen to form a code. Okay, find the number of codes formed are even numbers. So 6 choose 5. Okay, part A, even number. Okay, Farah here. I don't like to ask you questions because it's very slow. It takes time for you to answer my questions. Yeah, okay. Farah, you see this? I'm helping you. You answer my questions. Okay, this one is 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I try to do like the example. Okay, can you please answer me for this last digit? Okay, from here, this one, 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, and 8. Which number that you can fill out at the last digit so that this number will be even? Anyone want to cut your friend's queue? Just type in the chat. So you all have to be fast. I call out so I can give you
024.
024. Farah answer already.
No, it's me. Ketiga.
Then Farah will angry with you. Kritika, if I not given you the mark.
Yes.
Okay, she say 248.
Oh yeah, 8 also.
248. Okay, but she missed out one. She missed out one number.
0.
What is
She missed out 0.
Yes, she missed out 0. Okay, because when here is 0, this number is still even. Okay, so now I follow the list. Okay, so start from Lavanya. Okay, who want to answer the questions? Okay, so Kritika, you don't answer already. Okay, can anyone tell me, so how many ways or how many choice that I can put in this last digit?
Oh,
Who is that?
Vanessa,
Melissa, you say what?
4 ways.
4 ways. Okay, thank you. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 ways here. Hebat though. Then you can go to sleep already. No need answer already. Okay, so after put in this 4, okay, balance here got 6 ma, so balance is 5. Okay, I can already give a very big hint. May I know how many ways, okay, I can put start from the first digits? Tiada orang answer kah? Okay, Siranya say 5 ways. Okay, 6 card take away 1, so balance is 5. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it's 5 here. So we will continue. Okay, 4, 3, and the 2. Okay. So you multiply. Then you get the answer is 480. This is for part A. Ravanya, next time have to be fast. Never mind. Okay. Okay, all my questions simple only. Because I got you. Okay, now we go to B. Okay, how many, find the number of code form are number less than 40,000. Less than 40,000. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for the number less than 40,000, what number I should put at the first digit? Right? Is it Shruta want to answer? She on her mic already. I repeat my questions. For the number or for the code less than 40,000, what I should put at the first digit here? 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Okay, which one? List up.
2 or 1?
2 or 1? 1 and 2 only. Okay, if I put 4 here, then this number, okay, will not less than 40,000. Okay, how about can I put 0 here? Okay, for these questions, you see, is a code. For a code, you can put a 0 here. Okay, this type of question, sometimes you will have argument with one. Okay, code means like example, your passcode. Okay, so you can put a 0 here. Hey, just now who is the one answer 1 and 2?
Siti Farah, teacher.
Farah. Siti
Yeah.
Farah. Huh?
Yeah.
Farah or Siti Farah?
Siti Farah.
Siti Farah. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one you have to you can put in 0, 2. Okay. So I'll give Sudha marks. You see, different people will have a different thinking one, for this type of questions, the combination and the permutation. Okay. Even in the SPM also the same thing. Yeah. So you see now 0, 1, and 2. So here, how many choices that I can put in for the first digits? Anyone want to answer? Okay, Sarah say 3. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, after I fill in 3, okay, these 6 cards are, okay, minus 1 card already. Balance is 5. So what should I fill out for the next digit? How many choice? Hey, so simple. Come on. Come on, come on. If you need me to repeat the question to say, come on, come on. How many choice I can put in for the second digits now? After I fill in the first number. Siti Farah, try. Okay. Ayo, so how? Who first? Serene first. Siti Farah had to try again. Okay, so balance you fill out 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then times. Okay, so this one, the answer is 360. Okay, so I give Serene and I give Sarah marks. Okay, so Ravania, Ruzaina, Siti Farah, Sophia, Sonia Sri, Teo Zingzi, and Johannes. Come on. Okay, we continue with C. Okay, how about this? If this code consists of a digit 7. Okay, so this digit 7, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that say I put at the first place here, this digit 7. So it's only got one choice. Okay, after I put in this already, okay, then the balance of the card is 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, after that, you have to remember, this one I cannot ask you questions, I will do. Okay, after that, you see, this one is provided the 7 is at the first digit. Okay, but they didn't say the 7 must be at the first digit. Means the 7 can be at second, third, fourth, or the last digit. So when the 7 is at the second digit, third, fourth, or the fifth digit, that is another 5 more way. So times 5. Okay, so the answer is 600. Okay, so for these questions, after I will send in the Teams, okay, then you open out, okay, and then you copy or you want to print out also can. Okay, I only managed to go through with you question number 1. Okay, so you can do again, okay, question 2 and 3, and then there is another 3 more questions. Same thing, do again. Okay, so tomorrow during tutorial time, I don't give you anymore, okay, the PBD. Although it's half an hour, I will see you and in the half an hour, and then we will discuss this the balance of the 5 questions. Is that okay? So tomorrow tutorial time, we do meet, Okay, right?
Okay.
You.
Okay.
Who is the one? Say okay. So many say okay.